Okay, let's do a quick demonstration of TubePilot. My name is Michael Smith. We're going to run through this as fast as we can, stay under that 20 megabytes. So we're going to go to Chrome extension and your Chrome store. You're going to download the Chrome extension. It's going to show up here looking like this green arrow. We're going to click on that and we're going to log in with Google. Log that in. This is my email and my account. We've got two tabs, an account tab and a product tab. Product tab is a tab where you can add products or businesses or services that you tend to upload videos for often. So I put TubePilot in here. This is a Chrome extension. I've got a few others. GovtoolsPro, Marketeer. And what you're going to do is navigate to the YouTube studio or any of the YouTube pages that has the create button on it. You're going to click open and your tube panel is going to open on the side here. So what you're going to see at the top is all your different channels that you might have. I've got a few. You can click the add channel if you want to add another channel. I'm going to stick with the GovtoolsPro. Here is the TubePilot, since that's what we're working on right now. You can either use YouTube API or you can use the DOM. Let's use the API. Hopefully this will be fully functional in a minute. You'll see this bar here that'll tell you how many units you have left. We have approximately 5 uploads a day. So I'm going to click on the channel here and I'm going to find one of these videos. We'll try that one. And here are also the playlists if you want to select a playlist that you want to upload it to. Visibility, you can choose private, unlisted, or public. Let's make this private for now. We also have advanced features here. These are all the selections that you would normally click when you're uploading manually. I'm going to go in here and type in, this is a tutorial on how to use the, what is this? The TubePilot. That's capital. TubePilot. Chrome extension. Now don't worry about being too detailed here. You do want to provide some information about what's in the video. Quick run through of features and options. Right? And then I'll just say what it's for. When you upload your product, you'll give it some information about that product, and that way AI will use your description of the video and also the description of your product. Hit generate metadata, and it's going to send all that information to AI. AI is going to come back with an SEO optimized title, description, and as you can see, this was my original description, and now we have a better description. Want to streamline your government contracting videos? Let's see here. Yeah, I am in GovtoolsPro. So it's also taking the channel that you're in as well. We can go ahead and you read through that, and you can edit it as you like. It also has hashtags. Here are the tags that it's going to use, and we're going to upload and fill. So once again, you want to confirm you are on the API, and it's going to show up over here. So you can see the little progress bar at the top, 58 megabytes. Todos está bien. About, I don't know, 8 to 10 seconds. We're going to allow that. It's copying your actual link to your video. And everything is good. You want to hit new upload if you'd like. And boom. You can see your progress bar has gone up a little bit. And what we're going to do is going to go and check it out. And you will find, let's see if I can find content. Here is TubePilot Chrome extension. Perfect and perfect. Hope you like the show.